How to make money online in a hurricane season. This is so easy. Listen, we're in the hurricane season and we need to stock up on supplies and everything. So, if you want to know how to make money online in a hurricane season, this is the right video to watch. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, be a part of our family while we grow to millions. Tropical storm Elsa has just passed Jamaica and we were so devastated. We had a lot of floods, etc. Alright? And there is a lot of different storms and hurricanes. They said we're supposed to prepare for this season. So, if you're interested in making money in the hurricane season, first thing I would like you to do is come to Amazon. All right? Come to Amazon, and Amazon, you can be an affiliate for Amazon, or you can come here and you can shop. But what I want you to do necessarily, I want you to sign up with Amazon. I want you to be an affiliate for Amazon. All right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for the things that persons will most likely need in a hurricane or a storm. All right. So you're gonna search for like batteries. All right. You're gonna search for emergency light, emergency kit, things that you can use most likely in a weather. All right. You can search for power banks and all those things. And then remember, people want all these things to use, and by you promoting these things at these times, it is most likely going to sell. The storm just passed the Jamaica and we could have been more devastated. All right, right now as I'm speaking, it's in Cuba. I hope it's not too bad there. But as I said, you will come to Amazon, you will search for things that most likely people want to buy in a hurricane. All right. So what you do, remember, if you have a hurricane watch, it's not gonna be able to deliver at that specific time. So that's the reason now it's good to start before all the hurricane rushes on, if they're supposed to. All right. So what I want you to do now, when you pick what you want to promote from Amazon, I want you to go to Facebook. All right? Yeah, Facebook. I'm not telling you to go to no other platform differently from Facebook. And I'm going to show you an autopilot method in how you can do this without you doing anything for yourself. All right? You can have this running, making money for you without you lifting a finger. So you will come to Facebook, you will go to groups. All right, you will join a few groups that is interested in making money online. You will post in these groups. All right, I have a new method in terms of how you can make money in a hurricane season. These persons, they're gonna ask you how, and necessarily you're gonna tell them. All right, you're gonna tell them that, hey, I'm promoting a few stuff on Amazon, and if you haven't stocked up yet, this is now the right time because we're in the season of hurricane. And you're not saying anything wrong, you're not spamming anyone. All right, and you can go to your official Facebook page, and what you will do, you will create posts. All right, you will create posts. Do you want to know how to get stocks for a hurricane? Or you can share posts that the news put up with bulletin of what's going on. You can also put up safety tips and how you can make money. All right, safety tips on how you can be safe in a hurricane. When persons continue seeing you put up things about how you can be safe, and in the mix, you're putting up, hey, I'm promoting hurricane shelters, I'm promoting power banks, I'm promoting emergency light, I'm selling batteries and all those stuff. And if persons are interested, they're gonna ask how they can get it. You will provide them with the link that you got from Amazon with the stuff, as I said, you prefer to promote. And then you're gonna provide them with the link. They're gonna purchase through your link and you will be earning money. All right. Some of the things you will be promoting can earn you up to 10%. And that's okay because we're in a hurricane season and it's not like you should be thinking about grabbing money. You should also be thinking about helping others. All right? And while helping others, you're getting a little extra in your pocket. And I don't see anything wrong with that. So it's pretty simple and easy. Let me go over back the download for you. All right? You come to Amazon, you sign up, you find things that people will need in a hurricane time. All right. And please remember to subscribe with the notification bell on so you will get all my future videos. All right. So, as I said, come to Amazon, sign up, find things that persons will need in a hurricane. You come to your Facebook, you make posts about the things you're promoting. You can put up bulletins, you can go to Facebook groups, find out and join groups of making money online. You will say, hey, I got a new strategy how you can make money in a hurricane season. Person will ask how. You will tell them while providing them your link in their messenger, because you can't put these links on Facebook unless you go to a site called Linktree. And when you go to Linktree, you can create a special link in terms of how you can put this link on Facebook. Whenever persons click this link, they will see your link from Amazon. So that's the only way you can do it otherwise. And as I promised you, I got an autopilot method how you can do this without lifting a finger. Ta-da, ta-da! If you're ready, let's go. You come to this website called Fiverr.com. All right. Whenever you come to Fiverr, what you will do, you will search for freelancer. All right. These persons, some of them will charge you $5 up to $1,000. So choose the one that best suit your need and try to ask and try to tell these persons that, hey, what I want you to do for me is watch this video on online money. All right. Carry out the strategy that is spoke of in the video, and you will arrange the payment and how fast you want this to be done, and they will do it for you, and you can continue this method over and over. All right. So as I said, come to Fiverr, find a freelancer that is affordable and best suit your need. Explain to them if you can what you want them to do. If you can't, tell them to come to my channel, watch this video, and do exactly as I said. All right. So as you can see, $5, $200, $50 here, and you can find all sorts of different freelancer. It's very simple and easy. All right. So go ahead and make yourself a lot of money now in the hurricane season. All right. And you can double, triple your money with your mindset thinking of making money if that's what you want the most, because you can make YouTube channel just as I'm doing right now and making videos about this. You can go on Quora, a lot of different places. The internet is wide and you can make money all sorts of different ways on the internet. So I will be leaving links in my description how you can come to Fiverr and all sorts of different links if you're interested in terms of making money online. All right. So thank you for tuning in. Subscribe with the notification bell on. I'm just starting out, and We'll see you soon. All right. So come again. Thank you for watching.